What is up, my friends? Welcome once again to another video. In this video I will be teaching you how to change your coolant on a 2009 to 2014 Yamaha R1 step by step. I'm going to teach you guys how to do this. Very simple, nothing to it. I will be doing a complete flush. What that means is I'll be putting distilled water to take out all that excess from the coolant from inside the bike. A lot of people don't do it. But I like to do that because, you know, I like to take out all the dirtiness that it's been holding there for months. Like I said, I'm gonna use distilled water, just regular distilled water. I mean, you can use a better brand. I got this. And on my last review with changing my coolant, I changed my Raptor 700 video. If you guys want to go check that out, I have a video of that. But I used YAMAHA. In this video, I will be using ENGINEJS. Yes. I remember that in my last video I said that there's a bunch of bad reviews on ENGINEJS for whatever reason, but the reason why I'm going to use ENGINEJS today is because these bikes do run hotter engines than a motorcycle, a regular ATV does. Of course, bigger engine, it's more hot. That's the reason why I'm going to use ENGINEJS. I'm going to give it a try and I'll let you guys know how good it is. Step number one, come to the left side of your bike. You're going to remove the lower end, the lower fairing, which says Yamaha right there. That's what we're gonna remove. Remove 1, 2, 3 bolts in the bottom where it says Yamaha. That's the bottom fairing first. Also, there's 2 more screws right here on the side. You're gonna remove those 2, that way the whole thing can come off. All right, step number 2, you're gonna remove the reservoir cap right here. You remove this little cap and behind it is the reservoir. Watch it. You see has the little washers right here, look. I just noticed that. Alright, step number 4, you come to the right side of your bike and you're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on the upper fairing side. After you remove those bolts on top, now you come to the bottom and you remove these bolts right here in the fairing. Just watch it with when you do this, just watch it with your little harness. Just make sure you unplug it from the top and take it down. After removing the fairing, you can see the radiator cap filling right there. All you gotta do is remove these that you took off right now, the little bolts, remove that from the top. Be careful with this middle one because it's kind of tricky. Pop that to the side, it'll probably come out pretty easy. Wow, that one was hard to take off. Alright, by the way, that was step number 5. Remove all this, that's step number 5. Locate that thing. Alright, step number 6, just remove the cap, the filler cap right here. There it is. I'm just gonna put it right here for now. Always remember, guys, you do not want to do this while your engine is hot. You want to do this when it's cold. I have not even started the bike. I woke up this morning and I'm doing this right now. Do not, I repeat, do not open this up when the freaking bike is hot. It will blow up in your face and it will not be good. Step number 7, you come again to the left side of your bike. Locate your reservoir right here. It's gonna be a 10mm socket. It's gonna be 1 bolt, and it's gonna be another bolt, I believe, back here. Way back here. You see it hiding back there? You can possibly pull this hoses this way for now. That way you have reach to it. And right now when you finish, just put them back where they were. Alright, step number 8, you just remove it. After you remove the bolts, remove it. See, mine's empty, it doesn't have anything at all. It has a little bit of in there. So I'm just gonna, I got this little thing right here. I'm gonna just clean it. I'm gonna put some water in it and clean it. Try to stir it pretty good in there. Step number 9, after you wash and clean your reservoir, right under it, it's the drain bolt. It's gonna be in between this bolt right here and this bolt right here. It's this one right here in the middle. You see it? Right there. And I thought I had a pan, a smaller pan, so that's why I'm using my truck's pan right now. It looks all retarded, but at least I'm not gonna drop it on the floor. By the way, it's the same 10mm socket, the one you're gonna use for the coolant drain bolt.
there you go. There it is.
Step number 10, after you're done draining the coolant, everything's done, come back to the right side of your bike, put the funnel inside the coolant cap, and then fill it up. This is how you're flushing the dirt from inside the bike. This is the way to do it right here. Step number 11, you come back to the left side of your bike, locate again your bolt, put it back in there. Step number 12, you reinstall your reservoir back into the bike. Do not put the hose yet because of course you're gonna refill it. Alright, step number 13, you come back to your right side of your bike, locate the coolant radiator, go ahead and fill it up all the way to the top. See, that's the way it should look. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can barely see it in there moving. That's how it should be full all the way to the top. You can go ahead and put your cap back on after it's filled all the way to the top. Step number 15, come all the way back to the left side of your bike and refill the reservoir all the way to the full line, guys. Remember, has a little full line right here in the side. I'll show you right now in a bit. See the full line right there? I passed a little bit, but it's fine. It don't matter. Nothing will harm it if you pass a little line. Now go ahead and put your hose back in. Now go ahead and put your cap back on, just like so. Alright, step number 16, all you gotta do is turn on your bike and let it run till the fan kicks in. Alright, last step, guys, step number 17, after you turn off your bike, check for leakages. Under right there by the bolt, there's no leakages coming, you're good. On that side you can see it's not dripping anything at all, so nah, you're totally good. After that, just go ahead and put your fairings back on and you're done. I hope you liked the video. I do this video for fun, for no other reason. I just like to show the people that you can do it yourself. You don't have to go and pay $100 to do a freaking coolant change where you can do it yourself, save a little money. I learned from seeing other videos. That's how I do my stuff too. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know how to do all these things that just randomly, I see, and then I make a video to show you guys so you can do it on yourself. If you did like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, it takes me a while to do this stuff, but hey man, I love making these videos. So more videos to come, subscribe for more, and as always, you guys have a nice day. Peace.